Hey guys, Jordan here from Coldlytics, and today I'm going to help you find the best restaurant owners for your Coldlytics targeting. So let's dive right in. So for targeting, we're going to start with the small businesses, and we're going to look up New Orleans, as that's where we're going to be finding our restaurant owners today. And I'm just going to lower the radius to 10 just so we're a bit more centered in on the city center. I'm going to add that here, and we're going to go to our next step, which is industries. So obviously we're looking for restaurants here today. Let me type that in. And with Coldlytics 2.0, we get this nice new sanity check feature where we can just click it and go on a website. So here, we're gonna scroll down just to make sure that this is actually in New Orleans, which it is. So I'll close out of that. Cool, we're gonna add that to our search terms, and then we're gonna move on to our key decision makers. So for today, for seniority levels, we're just gonna select owners and founders. That's all we wanna target today. I'm gonna hit next here. Next step is to add the filters. So I'm gonna click into the filters, and the first one I'm gonna be looking for is the franchise or national chain filter, because we don't want any big, we don't want any big like Montana's or Eastside Mario's. We just want local restaurants. So we're gonna exclude franchises and national chains here. So I'm gonna go next, and then we're gonna add another filter today, and we're going to target the Google reviews. We're gonna leave the review count unedited, but for the review score, we're gonna set a minimum of 3 and a maximum of 5. And this is an important metric for digital marketers because it shows them that a restaurant is at least in the somewhat of a good standing, and it at least cares about its public perception, so it's willing to spend money on your services. So I'm gonna hit next, and with that we're just going to hit deliver now, and I'm gonna reset my data points. So this is the view that you guys will see, and honestly I would just select every single data point except for this direct dial because it adds an extra lead, or it uses an extra credit per lead, which we don't want. So I'm gonna just select all of these here. All right, perfect. They're all selected. So I'm gonna hit next, and we don't need to leave any additional notes for today. So I'm just gonna finish, and I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna launch the task. And once you launch the task, you should be back in your overview of you should be back in your task list overview, and you should notice that it's gone through if you see a little allocating symbol. And yeah, thank you so much guys. That should be all for today.